Hey everybody, got this Ames 100-foot laser distance meter from Harbor Freight. I am tired of my walking wheel measuring tape, and I've always wanted an electronic one, but didn't want to spend a fortune on it. So we will get this sucker out and see what we think. Okay, we're back. I opened the package, and it's a nice little unit. It does, my hands aren't real big, but it's a nice size. You don't feel like you're going to drop it. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it, but it's not as cheap as the ones I've felt before. And these actually have good buttons on them. They don't rattle, and they're rubberized. And as you can see, it's a nice little unit. It's got the instruction booklet, which are actually quite elaborate. It has troubleshooting guide, although I haven't had any trouble with it yet. And you can do feet, inches, or switch it to meters if you're on the metric system. The instruction booklet's good, though. It's not in a foreign language. And it has this nice little carrying case, too, with a belt loop strap. So that's kind of nice. Instead of walking around with my walking wheel, I can just have this on my belt or in my backpack, which is really convenient. So let's put the batteries in it and give it a go. Okay, we've got the batteries in the unit now. So all you need to do is just push the on button. So we push it on, and there's the battery meter, so it's full battery charge. And the units are right here. There's foot and inches, and you've got all these dashes. Now to change, if you're not on the English system, you're on the metric system, and you want to do metric, it's real easy. All you do is just put your fingers on both buttons, push it, and then we switched over to meters. Push it again, and you've got only inches. Push it again, you've got feet. So now, in feet, it'll give you feet and inches as well. And then you've got these three arrows here. I'll show you something here. When you push this button in the bottom, that means it has the laser only goes out the front. And then when you push it again, it's coming from the middle on out. And then this is also from the behind. So it's a three-way meter device. And the cool thing is this in this mode now, it'll shoot forward and behind. So if you're in the middle of the room and you don't want to have to walk all the way down to one wall, you can take the measurements from, in the middle of a giant warehouse or something. But since I'm in my dining room, which is small, I'll just set it back to that. And we'll go over here to the unit. Actually, I'll go down right here. Since I'm right-handed, it'll be easier to film. Just place the unit on the wall, and then you can see there's no laser down there. So I press this button once. That turns the laser on. There it is on the wall. And we hold it in. Boom. Right there we go. 10 feet, 0.604. And you don't like that unit. You want the actual inches. So you press this again, and it converts it. 10 feet, 7 1/4 inches. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. I think it's really nice. And it also, in case you want to know, does have the threaded female housing for putting on a tripod so you can keep it steady. It is a powerful laser. It goes from 0.2 inches all the way up to 100 feet. And it's got a protective screen on it that I haven't taken off yet. But it's fun to mess around with. And the nice thing is if I go to another wall right here, this is my door frame here, and I hit it again, turn the laser on, push it again, it takes the measurement, and then, oops, you got the first measurement stays in memory, so 10 foot, 7 1/4 inches, and then 4 foot, 8 1/16 inch. So, as a contractor, when I'm walking around the room, I don't have to write them both down. I can get both measurements, the length and width of a room, and have them both display on the screen, and it just keeps building like that. So the next room I go to, the 4 foot, 8 1/16 inch will move up, and then the next measurement will be below that. It's a really nice little tool for the money I spent. Thanks for watching.